Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company China. Here it is a new finished 5 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for our Italy client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material high viscous, hot melt adhesive or glue. For the material contact part, we use stainless steel and mirror polish, even including the right part, top lid. The whole lid we make it stainless steel. For the driving part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth face reducer, the blue one, connected directly to support the strong power. And the right part is a cylinder, which we also design and equipped a jacket around it, which will be filled with conduction oil for the heating function during the mixing work. So it has a heating function. The right part is a hand wheel reducer for the material discharging while the cylinder tilting after work. And on the back side, the yellow one is a buffer tank. Consists of the vacuum pump and the metal pipes connected to the top lid. This consists of a vacuum system. So during the mixing work, we can achieve the vacuum function. While for the electricity cabinet inside the electricity components, main components, we use Schneider brand. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for the basic mixing function. Let's focus on the panel. This is the inverter panel and the speed control. After set, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. Voltage meter and meter. This is for the jacket temperature set. Switch, heater on, heater off. Temperature set for the jacket conduction oil. This is a temperature display for the inside cylinder material. For the buttons part, mixer sigma blades, forward direction, reverse direction, stop. Vacuum pump, open, close, emergency stop button. I would like to say that for the sigma blades, reverse direction can help to push the material out of the cylinder more easily. Okay, let's focus on the top part. This is the vacuum meter, some wall for the vacuum function, 2 windows, one with light. We open the light and we can check the inside situation while another window. Okay, first I start it. Emergency stop button, release. I can set the shaft speed while here. First, I give it around half speed, okay? This is half speed. Let's check. Now, sigma blades are rotating the forward direction for the mixing direction. So I test the max speed. It should be 42. Yes, it is. No problem. Working stable. Let's stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. Now the sigma blades reverse direction shaft speed would also be reached 42. Okay. Now blades are in the reverse direction working. Speed down. No problem. I would like to introduce our safety protection system, safety protection function. It is regarding the backside sensor here, the blue head one. So, once the top lid opened during the work, even without any operation on the cabinet panel, the mixer will stop. I will try. Now, I just open the top lid. We can see that the mixer stopped work. This is for the safety consideration. However, even in this situation, we can also drive the double blades. This is another function, we call it inching switch function or jogging. Just keep my finger on the button, forward or reverse. For example, forward, keep my finger on it. We can see that the blades rotate. However, once removed, not work. I must keep my finger on the button continuously to drive the blades when the top lid opened. Same principle for the reverse direction. This will help the material discharge after cylinder tilt. Remove, stop. So this is we call it inching switch function. Convenient for the material discharge, maintenance or cleaning for the cylinder. So just now I have made a simple introduction and the basic function test for the new finished 5 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for our Italy client used in hot melt adhesive production industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer used in high viscous material, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.